Hey, I'm Steve Gold, and welcome to 115 West Broadway, 4th floor, a 5,000 square foot loft in the heart of Tribeca. This loft underwent a multi-year renovation by the world-renowned Roman and Williams studio, and it is one of the finest examples of loft living that exists in downtown Manhattan today. Take this uplit walnut louver wall for an example. It gives you a sense of arrival and teases what's to come. And you'll see that craftsmanship and attention to beautiful detail throughout. Just take a moment to appreciate the dimensions of this great room. You can get a workout just walking from one end to the other. It has 11.5-foot ceilings, a wall of oversized Western windows, and dramatic ebonized reclaimed oak floors. This great room is a vibe, with enough space for living, lounging, dining, and cooking. And for a classic touch, look how they integrated the original wooden beam and cast iron columns. It does not get more Tribeca than that. Everything in this kitchen is so dialed in. From the stone, you have this beautiful Calcutta macchia vecchia, all a single slab, not a seam in sight. In my nearly 20-year career selling real estate in New York City, this is the first time I've seen an Athenor range. It's a commercial-grade cooktop imported from Europe that is a dream for any star chef. You have beautiful black granite with integrated sink and this walnut cabinetry to the ceiling. And it's all accented by this beautiful trio of Roman and William pendants that hang like jewelry over the island. This kitchen is beyond custom. It's bespoke. Walking through this home feels like you're walking through a design showroom, but somehow it still feels warm, welcoming, and comfortable. For instance, this lighting design is aesthetically pleasing and practical and flexible. You could reposition the lighting to light artwork, furniture, or areas on the floor, and you could change it as your needs change. This home has a gallery-like feel, with tons of room for massive art pieces, but the walls are also art, clad from floor to ceiling in Venetian plaster. This home is truly a celebration of craftsmanship, materiality, and attention to detail. So pour yourself a drink, put on your favorite record, and kick back and chill. This gallery hallway leads you to the private side of this loft, where you'll find 4 bedrooms, including a tremendous corner primary suite with one of the most luxurious bathrooms I have ever seen. The oversized windows of this corner primary suite frame iconic Tribeca architecture. Keeping with the rest of the loft, the furnishings here are understated elegance. A live edge headboard, stone night tables, integrated bench, and easy chair are a perfect balance of stylish form and thoughtful function. When I first stepped foot in this bathroom, my jaw dropped to the floor. It's the size of other people's bedrooms in New York City. You have Belgian bluestone that was reclaimed and brought here that juxtaposes the really neat finish of this quartzite wall. A freestanding tub perched right in front of this beautiful window. And as with the rest of the apartment, function plays its part. You have this beautiful oversized dual vanity, 50 shades of green, and a stall shower with window and steam. I would say this bathroom alone sells this place. In a neighborhood known for its loft living, Apartment 4 at 115 West Broadway has officially raised the bar. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?